Our roofers have finished the mounting system for the panels, so I thought I'd show you a bit about how it works. Effectively, you have brackets and then you have rails on top. Now, to mount the brackets, you lift the tile up, you drill the brackets into the rafters. So you've got the rafter, then you've got the felt, and then you've got the bracket, and you're drilling through the felt into the rafter. Then you lie the tile flat on top, and then you mount the rails. We're just in the loft now, and I thought I'd show you what the inside of a loft looks like when it's had a solar system fitted to it. As you can see, you can't even tell that the system's on the roof. There is actually a bracket behind my fingers, and it's just drilled straight into the rafter. There's no damage to the rafter, no damage to the felt. The felt is still waterproof and the roof is still structurally sound. One of the things that our head of installations, Justin, looks at on his technical and structural survey is the size of the rafters and the width between them. We send that off to an external structural surveying company who then check that the roof can take the weight of the solar system in all weather conditions. Just while we're up here, I thought I'd show you how the DC runs go into the loft. Effectively, you lift the tile, you find an overlap in the felt, and you just feed the cables under that overlap, and then the cables are run internally. And for this job, they're going to go all the way through the loft, and they'll come out the other side where the Powerwall 3 is and just drop straight down the wall.